So the self-styled godmen were at his event, which was not the first time that so many people had gathered. But amid all of that, there are statements that are emerging. That he issued a statement that the stampede that happened was because of anti-social elements that deliberately wanted to create an issue. He's claiming that there was an ex-police head constable arrested 23 years ago, claiming to revive a dead girl. Here's a report on how some of his past antecedents that are coming to light and how did he become such a popular godman, so to say, for the people.
सूरजपाल, Narayan Sakar Hari, or Bhole Baba to his followers, has a history of legal troubles. He was arrested in the year 2000 from Agra along with 6 others. Surajpal was charged under the Drugs and Magic Remedies Act for claiming to revive a dead girl who was suffering from cancer. According to the FIR, his followers created a ruckus at the cremation ground and claimed that Baba would cure the child. However, Baba and 6 of his followers were acquitted due to lack of evidence. Surajpal's alleged links with the paper leak kingpin have also been unearthed. He used to hold satsang twice or thrice yearly at the house of the kingpin of the junior engineer paper leak case in Rajasthan's Dausa. Rajasthan paper leak case accused Harshvardhan Patwari and his family were ardent disciples of the Bhole Baba. Patwari was arrested by the Rajasthan police in Feb this year.
This house, as per information, belongs to one Harshvardhan Patwari, who is considered to be the main accused in the JEN paper leak case. You can see the tents that are there. These are the tents below which the disciples of Narayan Sakar Hari used to gather to take part in the satsang programs that were being conducted at this premises. Harshvardhan Patwari का क्या उनसे कोई पुराना कनेक्शन था?
हाँ, लगभग ऐसा ही बताया जाता है यहाँ, जैसे कि उनकी जो घर वाले थे वो बताते थे जब से हमने बाबा से संपर्क किया है तब से हमारी जिंदगी बदल गई है। यहाँ कईयों की भ्रांतियाँ हैं कि भाई
हर्षवर्धन के परिवार के लोग उनके अनुयायी, उनके भक्त थे।
हाँ जी बिल्कुल। और कईयों की ये भी है कि अलमारी में एक दिन पहले हमने 1 लाख रुपए रखे, पैसे नहीं थे बात देने के लिए, फिर 6 लाख हो गए, दूसरे दिन फिर हम बात दे के आए 11 लाख का। तो ये भी था कि भाई बाबा ने पैसे रात में कर दिए जादू से। तो यहाँ इस तरह की भ्रांतियाँ फैलाई हुई थी।
Despite multiple cases filed against him in various jurisdictions in Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan, Surajpal continues to command a considerable following, drawn to his promises of spiritual enlightenment and blessings.
सत्संग में जाने वाली आत्माएं उन्होंने गलती की, अब बाबा जी ने तो कोई गलती की नहीं। चरण छूने के लिए भागे प्रभु चरण छुआते हैं।
परमात्मा जिम्मेदार नहीं है, वहाँ की प्रशासन तो दिखी नहीं है। दूसरी बात, वहाँ के हमने मोबाइल के माध्यम से देखा, एक बहन बता रहे थे 2 व्यक्ति अध्यक्ष लोबर पहनते हुए थे, नए लड़के थे, हट्टे कट्टे, उन्होंने धक्का दिया है, तो उसी में सब लोग बहने भाग गिर पड़े हैं।
An example of his clout was the satsang in Hathras, attended by over 250,000 people. Over 120 people were killed after the stampede at the event venue. With Samarth Srivastav, Arvind Ojha and Devankur. Bureau Report, India Today.